everybody, this is Kim. I'm back again with another one, y'all. Back again with another one. I'm eating the orange. Okay. I dripped that on my damn pants. Wait a minute, y'all. I'm sorry. Ooh, that one's sweet. Okay, y'all. I'm getting ready to go. Walking. I know it's kind of funny for some, but I'm getting ready to go. I'm getting ready to go walking. I need to get in shape. I'm trying to be motivated. My friend, he asks me all the time to come walking with him, and I always kind of brush him off. Of course, I need lotion on my hands. I always brush him off, man. Like I said, sorry, y'all. I should have been holding it. Okay. Damn, motion wiper still on. Okay, usually he asks me all the time to go walking, and I always brush him off. But in all reality, I really need to be walking. I really need to be out here, getting in shape, trying to be healthy, all of that. Wait a minute. I gotta hold it again. Yeah, I need to be out here, working out, getting in shape, doing the right things just for my health. You know, I don't have any health issues. Thank the Lord. But I most definitely need to be working out. I most definitely need to be doing that. So that's what I'm doing today. And I used to walk up here where I'm at all the time. I will walk the track, and then after I get done walking the track, I would walk around the school. You know, I tried to do like 3 miles a day, which is nothing for people who walk all the time. You know, but a newbie like me, I think as long as I get a mile in, I'm gonna be good. I'm gonna eat this. Damn, did I really drop half the orange? I'm still eating it, y'all. Even though I need to be walking more, but I'm gonna say. But first, I want to eat this orange because I haven't ate anything, so I want to put something on my stomach. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but I most definitely don't want to get out here and pass out, so I'm gonna eat this orange real quick. I really want to go to the Katy Trail. I really like walking on the Katy Trail, but the Katy Trail is you can't walk by yourself, because even though it's a lot of people on the Katy Trail, it still could be a little dangerous walking by yourself, because I walked the Katy Trail maybe twice. It's actually the actual Katy Trail is like super long. It's supposed to go from Missouri all the way up to Kansas, but they have little other trails that connect to it. So I walked the Katy Trail, the small portion of the Katy Trail. I think I walked it until it got to like this park, this Creed Core Trail that takes you to Creed Core Park, which was like 3 miles, but we walked the 3 miles and then we had to walk back. So that day we walked 6 miles and we was tired as hell. My goal is to, I'm sorry if this air is super loud in your ear, I'm sorry about that. But my goal is to start riding my bike up there. That's what I really want to do. I want to get on the bike. I said I need to teach Damon how to ride a bike. So that's the plan for today. I'm gonna finish eating this orange, and then I'm gonna get my butt out here And I'm gonna do my 1 mile. Still going, y'all. I got these headphones on, so I might be screaming. Don't feel bad. From what I hear, doing all 6 lanes is 1 mile. I'm not 100% on that. I don't know. That's just what I heard. So that's what I'm doing. All 6 lanes to get my mile in. Hopefully I could, well, probably by next week I'll start doing the parking lot, maybe. I don't know. But it's a start. All right, let me get back to it. Thumbs up, done. Finish. Okay, yeah, I'm done. It took me almost 30 minutes. It's probably like 28 minutes or so just to do the whole all of the lanes, all 6 lanes, which I think is a mile or a mile and a half. I'm not sure. If you know that, put that at the bottom, leave a comment, because I'm not sure what track, how many miles it is to walk a whole track, every lane. I believe it's a mile, but I'm not 100% sure. If you know the answer to that, leave that down at the bottom. Also, I used to have this app that track my steps and my walking, you know, like an actual map that showed everything that I did. Like right now, yes, I do have the Apple Watch, and I'm in the app. Hopefully y'all can see this. Yeah, I'm inside the app, and as you see, it shows exactly what I did. Like the red is my movement, the green is how much exercise I did, how much standing I did, and my actual steps and distance. So I'ma just say I did about a mile. I know I didn't do almost 2 miles, but I don't know. You know, it factors in when you actually first put on the watch. I guess I used to have this Map My Walk by Under Armour. So I think I'm gonna download that one again, just to keep up with what I'm actually doing and where I'm walking, and my speed is what I really want to keep up with. I really want to keep up my speed, and yeah, just so I can have a tracking point. You know, like I said, today it took me about 28 minutes to do just a mile or a mile and a half. You know, I would like to cut that time down to at least half, you know, and then I want to actually measure how far I'm walking. You know, like I said, I used to walk the track, all 6 lanes, and then I would come off the track, and then I would walk around the whole entire school, you know, from the high school all the way around to the elementary school. And I think that is actually a mile and a half, I believe. So I would do at least 3 miles a day, and I really want to get back up to that. My goal is to start jogging. That's my goal, and I have not been able to get to that point yet. every time I start walking, you know, I get a little disappointed. And what I'm gonna stop doing, take this thing off. What I'm gonna stop doing is I really need to stop going according to weight, because that's actually what messed me up last time. I was really going in hard, and I was really working hard, and I was really dedicated then. And when I got on the scale, my weight wasn't where I thought it should be, and that just kind of that was just like a big disappointment to me, and I just stopped walking altogether. I felt as though it wasn't working. It wasn't doing anything. I wasn't losing weight, you know. So this time I'm not gonna do that. I might weigh myself, just like I said, just to know my starting point, see where I'm at, and then from there I'm not gonna watch the scale. I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna go off of, you know, just being healthy. You know, if my clothes start fitting different, yes, that's a plus and everything, but this is something that I need to do. This needs to be a lifestyle change. You know, and then, just like I said, I was gonna walk with my friend, you know, because he really been telling me, you know, come on out, let's walk and all this stuff. But in all reality, I really just want to walk by myself. Even though I know when I do the Katy Trail, I have to walk with somebody, because that trail is a little bit more dangerous. But I really don't want to depend on anyone. You know, I want to be able to get out here and just be motivated on my own. Because, you know, when you kind of piggyback off of somebody else, if they don't show or if they stop doing it, then that causes you to stop doing it. So I really want to do this by myself, and I'm gonna try to get up every day and do it. I don't know if I'm gonna use like the weekends as my like a day off from working out, or I might just do something at home. I'm also gonna start back doing that jump rope challenge. Some of my old videos, you'll see me and Damon, we did that a couple of years back. We did the jump rope challenge, even though we never finished it. But we you know, we did it. I have a couple of videos on that. I'll probably link them to the top if possible, if I could. I mean, those are old videos. But yeah, I might, you know, I'm gonna start back doing that. I probably do that when I get back home, do a little jump rope. Probably jump for maybe 5 or 10 minutes, I don't know, you know. But most definitely, with trying to be healthy and in shape, you most definitely have to push yourself, and you can't make excuses. You just got to get up and do it, even though we don't want to, because I didn't want to. And even when I text my friend and told him I'm out here, you know, he was like, well, you know, I gotta take my son, this and that, let's link up later on. And I'm like, I know if I don't do it right now, I'm not gonna do it. So I'm dressed, I'm up, I'm finna get out here and I'm gonna do it. So I'm here. Yeah, I really want to go to Bath and Body Works, even though I don't need nothing. I got more than enough, but I want to get some of that Cocoa Shea Moisture Lotion. I want to get some of that, and I want to get some of the oil. So that's what I'm gonna do. Plus, I still got my 10 off of 40. I actually have 2. Actually, I got more than that, because they emailed me a 10 off of 40 coupon, so you could use that a number of times, you know. Plus, I got the actual coupon. So yeah, I think I'm getting ready to do that real quick, even though Bath and Body Works is kind of far from my house, but I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'll see y'all in a little bit. All right. Also, I know I haven't said this, but don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave me some comments at the bottom, y'all. I know my channel is all different kind of things, but I don't want to be stuck to one lane. I don't want my videos or my channel to be strictly about hair or beauty or chasing deals. I want my channel to be a variety of things because people like a variety of things. I know my subscribers is up and down because yeah, some people come for one particular thing, but that ain't this channel. That ain't this channel, you know. And I mean, if some people unsubscribe because I'm showing a variety of things, these are things that I'm into because this is my channel. So therefore, you're gonna see a variety of things. You know, you might see a video that you just absolutely love, and you might see a video that you hate, you know. But the thing is, you should like me. You should want to see my videos because you like me, you like my personality, you like, you know, seeing me act a damn fool, or just you just like me. I don't know, but my channel ain't no one-stop shop, you know. That ain't what I'm trying to do. That ain't even what I do in my real life. I'm into a lot of things. I'm just not into one thing because that's just my personality. I love trying new things. I wonder if it's a name for that. I wonder if it's a name for a person who likes to try things all the time. You know, you're not stuck in a box, and I don't want to be stuck in that box. I love researching. I love trying new things. You know, that's just me. That's just my personality. I don't know if it's a name for that. If it is, leave that at the bottom because you'll be giving me some information that I don't know. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave me some comments at the bottom, y'all. I'm coming back. I gotta do a thumbnail, to be real honest, and I was gonna do it in there, but all these kids, let me show you, all these kids came, and some of them is on the track. So I'm glad I came when I came and I got off when I did, because there's kids everywhere. So yeah, so I'll be back in a little bit. I'm back home now, and then I did go to Bath and Body Works. Let me set this camera up here. Yeah, I went to Bath and Body Works and I went to Walgreens because I need some more of this. I needed some more of this little freeze spray. So I got these two items along with this shampoo because I had 2 coupons, digital coupons for that. But I have never tried Bath and Body Works like skincare products. So I got some masks. These are 2 foot masks. And this is just 2 face, well, actually it's 4 because it's 2 on each pack. I said I was going to try those. And then I got like an under eye mask and then some clay masks. They didn't have the oil that I actually wanted, that cocoa shea oil, which sucked. I got 2 candles. This one smells, oh no, this one smells good, but this other one, this one is really nice. This Summer Boardwalk, oh my God, it smells so good. It smells almost like, hopefully y'all can see that. It smelled like caramel popcorn. Super creamy, vanilla scent. Oh my God, it smells so good. And then I just got like a body scrub. They had these 75% off. I got a body scrub. And then I wanted to try this face and body mist. So yeah, those was the only things I got. So hopefully when I get back in the house, the stuff that I had in my cart on the website, hopefully that stuff is still in there and I could place my order. If not, I ain't gonna worry about it. It ain't no big deal. So it is what it is. All right, y'all, don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave comments at the bottom. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.